Well, I'm pleased for that, because they have given him an honor, for the Rajya Sabha. But it's a different field altogether. Political line is, Sachin still has to learn a lot of things in political sort of thing. But we all know that he's a great cricketer. But this is a new inning. Let's see how he plays it. But it depends upon Sachin. He must have thought about that and all that also. But definitely, if you ask me, it's very difficult for Sachin to concentrate on cricket and at the same time Rajya Sabha. If you want to just sit there, then it's not going to solve a problem. It's going to be a lot of criticism. Yeah, any party which nominates you, they have the upper hands on the person. Definitely they might use Sachin for the elections, for the parliament which is coming in 2014 or 15, whatever the years is coming. But definitely they will project him as their own member. I don't know about that failed captain. I won't say that he's a failed captain, but he's a very successful cricketer. But the politician definitely is very difficult job. That's what we have to see. But Sachin got such a good platform to do well for the people of this country. Because there's a lot of things has to be done in this country, we have a lot of Diggaj, parliamentarians, for the last 16 years. We are still struggling for water and electricity, and nobody talk about populations and other things. So, I would like to see that, Sachin, looking after all these, things. It's not about politician. It's about the poor or middle class people who expect from you to do something for them. Yes, definitely. I think Sachin is such a, that's what I said, he is such a platform that he should not think about cricket, he should think about all other sports also, how we can become a world champions, But, it will take a lot of time, but still if he's Sachin in the right direction and he is thinking and doing something for them, I think he might achieve it, but it's always take a lot of time, our political system, they won't let anybody works, if he's in the right direction. From my side, my message to Sachin is good luck, all the best to you, and you got such a platform that you can do a lot better for the people of this country.